This is the #1 sauce. They call it the ketchup of Argentina, chimichurri sauce. And what's wonderful is it's herbed base. You have parsley, cilantro. It's really a combination of your favorite green, bright herbs. Sometimes people see this as a salsa verde as well. What's wonderful about this is that parsley is actually a natural breath freshener. So what do you have when you go to Argentina? Steak. This is a great partner for steak. I've given you a few good sauces that go with chicken and fish. This breaks down that heavy, rich steak. It's zingy, tangy, extremely bright. And of course, you've got that natural breath freshener. This kind of works as would a glass of delicious Cabernet with a big steak. This does the same thing. It prepares your palate for that next bite. Okay, let's get going. I'm gonna start by adding 1 garlic clove right to my food processor. Chop that up. Next in goes the herbs, parsley and cilantro. All right, gorgeous. We have beautifully chopped herbs and garlic, and I didn't even touch a knife. I love that. Next, we're gonna add red wine vinegar, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar. And to make things easy, by now you know I do not like doing unnecessary dishes, so I'm gonna measure my oil and my vinegar right into the same liquid measuring cup. We're gonna use 1/3 cup of oil. I'm gonna layer that right on top, saving me time and energy. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and have this going while I pour it in. Very nice. And actually, at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead, put it right into my parsley bowl, because why not? Straight into my bowl. I'm gonna go ahead, I want more flavor, but without the acidity. So what does that mean? I'm gonna use lemon zest and not juice. The zest of 1 lemon, some red pepper flakes, and last but not least, nice big pinch of salt. Again, to your taste. Look at that, great color, great flavor. I'd let this sit at room temperature for about an hour just to let the flavors come together. And then, hello, it's time to head to the grill and have some of that gorgeous hanger steak.